turn that down. And let me restart it because I like that music. And I didn't hear it because I was doing things. So turn that down a little bit and let's do it. Let's go ahead and get started. So, before I switch scenes, I need to open RPG Maker. Alright. You know, one day, in the near future, RPG Maker will open up. There we go. Input my STEM password. Input the stupid security key, dang. Not gonna go to Steam on my phone. Oh, there it is. Wow, it's already right here. Cool. Alright. Because I'm the pro. Indeed, Pierce. Also, welcome to the stream, Pierce. I hope you enjoy your stay. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I forgot to put my camera up. Howdy, fellas. Camera or cord, you go behind the TV. Thank you. Alright. Get my thing back here. There we go. We're good. Pause my own stream because ain't nobody got time for that shiz. Okay. This is gonna be fun. First, I have to go ahead and get Visual Studio Code. Studio Code, download for Windows. Turn it down a little bit more, because it's loud in my ears. Huh? Nope. Yeah, Elliot, it will be free. Also, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So, yeah, our custom tiles are looking better. This isn't my custom tiles. This is my custom tiles. And they're looking better than we did. For those who missed the stream, you can... It's uploaded if you want to go watch it. The custom tiles that stream. Although, I understand if you don't. But, yeah. So, we're getting better at making art. But today's stream will not be about art. It will be instead about programming. And we are going to be doing a custom title screen. Oh, excuse me. So, that's going to be a lot of fun. You take everything that seems like fun and then... I swear. I don't need a desktop icon. Ain't nobody use those things anymore. I said actually. Oh yeah, my bot. I gotta get my bot up and running. But yeah, does anybody here actually do that? Like, does anyone use desktop icons anymore, or do you just like open up the start menu and start searching for what you want to open? I mean, it's more convenient with the desktop, I guess, but I'm used to. I don't know. I like Linux and command line stuff more though, in my opinion, but that's just me. All right, Streamlabs, chat, bot. Hey, Charizard, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Oh, I think I hear someone yelling. Be right back. Well, it wasn't for here. That's for sure. Okay. So I kind of put together my own little playlist of songs. So that's gonna be nice. I picked a bunch of copyright-free stuff. At least it's claimed to be copyright-free. And yeah. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, USB drives, Air Force, JS. That's the folder that I want to open. So here we go. It's been a while though since I have done something like this. So, I'm gonna close this thing. I don't need it. Plugins. Let's go ahead and make one. Okay. Oh yeah, Streamlabs. I forgot to turn on my bot. I was in the process of doing that, but then I got distracted. But what I thought was somebody yelling. Is the audio quality good, by the way? I feel like it should be. Yeah, the audio quality is decent. Okie-doke. My laptop has a 5400 RPM drive, so it's like kind of jank. Oh yeah, I forgot to share it again. Derp me. Share it there. Share it on le tweet. The Google of pluses. Can I like share on the other thing too? I wonder, would it work? No, it won't work. Alright. Leave. Alright, share on Facebook. And then we be done. Okay, so the bot is going to be up and running in just a few seconds. There we go. Hey, Trico, how's it going, buddy? Me. Hey, Juan, how's it going? You are early today. Okay, so everything's working good? Yeah. So here we go. Hold on. We need to make an alias object because what I'm going to be doing is a little bit different. Oops. Okay. So you don't have money? Wait, what? Oh, you're talking about for Starbird? No, don't worry about it. But yeah, I just kind of promote Starbird because he's really cool and he's really good at what he does. I've been since yesterday writing an engine, and let me tell you, it's pretty exciting. It is fun. It can be a lot of fun, but it can also be very difficult. I don't have the... Huh? Sam Pro, do you have like the selection options in GIMP? What do you mean? Where the heck is it? I have no idea what that is. What language you speak, good sir? Ups and downs, Kappa. All right. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I have these. If you don't have these, then go to Windows, check out recently closed docs, and see if you can't get it back that way. Oh, it is Spanish? Oh, me no habla español. Habla español. Is that right? Me no habla español. Me also no comprende español. All right. So anyway, all right. Now we need to make windows. So how do I do this? Let's see if I can remember actually. Function, window, title text. This dot initialize dot apply this arguments. Window. Oops. What the? Window title text dot prototype dot wait equals object dot create window base dot prototype, and then window title text dot prototype dot constructor equals itself window title text. And then dot prototype dot initialize equals function. And we do window base dot prototype dot initialize dot call. I think it is this. Now that part I'm confused on, but I think we got it. Hey, Wiki King, how's it going, buddy? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I mean, when you select something, you have the option to rescale the selection. I don't have the bar. Huh? What are you talking about? It's a cloud. So you're talking about like this? Like that? You just kind of hover over it and it should be there. Unless you're talking about the scale thing, it's this. You can just press Shift and T. It should automatically do it for you. And if you're talking about the image itself, just click on image and scale image. My good man. So 00 graphics.box width, graphics.box height. All right, yeah. This dot refresh. I'm doing all this from. I'm refreshing my memory. No. Wait, you don't see what I'm doing? Wait, what? The display capture's not working. Stupid OBS. Be right back. I am so mega salt right now. F OBS for that. Come on. So I apologize about that. Everything was probably extremely confusing, what I was saying. And I'm actually kind of annoyed at that, but what can we do, right? And now the chat's not showing. Isn't that amazing? So let me find out why the chat's not showing now. There. Now it's... What is happening? Okay, so it's working here, but... Look, the chat's working here, but it's not working on this one. What? Okay, this is stupid, dude. There it is, there it is. Okay, so it's magically working now? I think. Hey, Ivan, how's it going? So let me re-explain everything. Oh. Okay. So... Man, that's stupid. How did I not notice that before? I was like looking at my own stream. Alright. So, basically Trico, let me go ahead and redo that. So yeah, you should have this little selection here. And if you don't have these, I don't know what's happening. You might want to re-get the GIMP. But you should also have this. Just press Shift and T, and you can scale the image. I think that's what you're talking about. Stupid OBS. But yeah. So yeah, that's how you scale. Window title text dot prototype dot refresh equals function. What's what? All right. So where do we want the text to be? Like, I'm gonna have like a different system than just a show choice thing. I don't just want a show command thing. Actually, you know what? No, we could use a show command thing. Yeah, we could. What's the first RPG Maker I played? XP. RPG Maker XP. No, in your hidden passage video, you scaled your selection down to 40 by 48 before actually selecting. Oh no. Oh! I don't know how to get that window back. That thing's vanished for me a couple of times, and it's really annoying, because, like, the best thing I can say is probably try to reinstall GIMP, because I don't know how to bring that thing back. It's frustrating as heck when that thing goes away. Check your recently closed docs, though. It should be in Window, and then recently closed docs. It might be in there if you're lucky. Okay, so. Should we even keep this? No, let's not do the custom text thing. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're doing here. Create window layer, create command window. Window title command. I ain't even gonna worry about aliasing this. I'm just gonna redo it. Let's have it at 24 by 24. So already that's like gonna be making a difference. So let's just do. There we go. Wait, you what? That should work. Oh. There we go. Yeah, I want the stuff to be there. And now I also want to change the default font size. I'm just gonna leave that in the I'm gonna make a new one actually. So now the font should look a lot better. There we go. Yeah, that's a lot better. So the font is good now. Hey Muse, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoyed your stay. Found it. It's in. You may want to write this down. It's in dockable sectors and the tool options. Oh, how'd you find it? Like I looked everywhere for that. For a way to do that. All right. So we updated this, and now what I want to do is I want to change the background of the title into like a scrolling kind of background. And particles. I want particles. So, GIMP. It's 1109 by 624, right? Yeah, our resolution, 16 by 9 default res. Just increase the width until it's 16 by 9 ratio. And yeah. You know what? No one's typed this in a while. Do it my dang self. That's fine. Alright. So let's do it. 1109, 624. Oops. Alright, so in order to include this in the file when we export it, we need to do one thing. Oops. I thought the sound was automatic, so I have to fart you do not. What? No. I mean, hi Butterfly, how's it going by the way? Welcome to the stream. Alright, default. Alright, so that should work. Did I not put it in system? Hold on. Where'd I put it? Why did I put it in tile sense? Oh my gosh. Alright, hold on. Let me replace that. Particles 1 and 2. Go system. Alright. So yeah, now we have the particle graphics, and they're going to be exported when we export the game, so that's good. They're not going to show yet, of course. Now we need to do scene title dot prototype dot create equals function. Call alias. Now that should still work. Okay, undefined is not a function. Fine, we'll just have to do it this way. What even happened? That was weird. Huh. So we can't do it that way. Alright, we don't need to do this anyways. We don't need a call alias function. Also, in your passive video, you prevent walking on the wall, so I suggest using a player restrictions plugin. It allows you to use R times as collision squares. What is easier? It is! Yes! It's great. Alright. No, I don't want to alias that one. What am I doing? Okay, I need to alias the create foreground, because I want, or create background, because I want, yeah, here we go. Now I need to see. Yeah, we need this, right? Yeah. And then how do we give it a source? I don't remember. I don't need that right now. Of course we add the child to it, but okay. Or we add the child to the main thing, so wait, what? Yeah. And then how do we give it a graphic though? Here we go. It's just bitmap. All right. Image manager. Okay. Yeah. This dot particle 1. I'm naming it. Dot bitmap equals load system. And then it was particles 1. So now there should be particle. Okay, parent of undefined. Okay, what's happening? Okay, see, I had child thing for some reason. Well, let's look at how the original background does. Why is that not working? Why? Now watch it work if I just do this. Dude, that's exactly how the other one does it. What the fuck? Alright. Oh! Oops. I should also stop cussing. I'm trying my best to stop cussing, but, so. Why is it not working? Does anybody know? Like, we can add a regular sprite, but we need a tiling sprite. Hold on, let me do some research on that real quick. I think we need like a rectangle. I think we need a rect to apply a rect. Yeah, I think we need to make a like a little container for it to add because all right, I will get to the bottom of this. How many think this is gonna be? Oh, well, the custom title? Probably not that many. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and check out Codebreaker Z's thing, just so I can figure out why add child's not working. Yeah, it should work. What is happening and why? That's stupid. This should work. Oh, I didn't type particle 1 here. Ah, see? It's the simple things, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, good. Our particles are showing. Let's go ahead and make a background for our title, though. This is just a sample background, though. I'm not, like, gonna make the graphic right now. Wait. Titles 1. Ah, this is gonna be nice. Oh yeah, when the drawing tablet gets here, the one that Kat is sending, I'm gonna be practicing character portrait arts because that's gonna be a lot of fun. Chico, what tiles was wonderful? What? I mean whole game. Oh, that's gonna take a long time, my good friend. I mean, like, I couldn't even give you an estimate. It might be shorter than I think, but I'm pretty darn sure it's gonna take a while. Cause yeah. Alright, so there we go. Also, we're gonna do, I can do the foreground thing. I want to center this text like that. It doesn't have to be centered like this yet. Let me go ahead and... Now it is centered. I want to push it to the right a little bit. I want to do... that. No, that's ugly. That's also ugly. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Zeifer SSX. That joke has been made so many times. This isn't a permanent thing, by the way. I'm just trying to make something that doesn't completely look garbage. Of course, this does look kind of bad, but I'll change it later. Oh, oops. I mute mic, right? Yeah. So how's everyone doing? Twitch Discord to me. I keep double tapping to open chat. Rip. Yeah, okay, good. I moved it enough. Yeah, we're gonna definitely make a new title eventually. Alright, so back to coding. Now both particles should be here. Yep. So now, let's see if that works. It should work. Oh yeah, oops. Okay. So they're falling down, but I want them to go up. So 0.2. And the origin x minus equals 0.05. Let's try that. And then just cut that in half by the other one. So this dot particle 2 dot origin dot y equals this one's y divided by 2. And then x, same thing. And there we go. Oops. Equals negative in that result. Because I want that to go the opposite direction on the x-axis. So, oh. Oops, I did the y one. My bad. There we go. This should be good. I think it's sad that animated tiles can't be on a second layer. I know, right? RPG Maker XP is for you, buddy. So it looks pretty good with the particles. I like it. But now let's actually try and come up with a good design for the title. So yeah, that we're gonna probably scrap that, but we can't just have like a black background, right? I don't think we have anything to go on at the moment. We can make a temp one, but like one that looks okay. But we don't have any art to go on yet. So we'll change it later, but for now, I think I have a cool idea. Enemies. Oh, oops, hold on. Yeah, screw it. We'll just use enemies from let's use enemies from the default. What am I doing? Not that. Enemies. I'll read the chat in just 1 second. Yeah, okay. Change window skin? Yeah, we're gonna change the window skin. I might remove the window skin entirely. Are you going to encrypt the game once it's done? Probably. Maybe. I might. So that looks kind of awesome. Looks weird, but... So what I'm going to do now is just... No, that hurts my eyes. Artistic. Let's do cubism, actually. Just something really abstract and weird. It's like we can always change it later. I'm just gonna desaturate it now. Well, not all the way, no. Then decrease its brightness. And I'm gonna increase the contrast a little bit. Something like that. That looks kind of cool, I guess. BG1. Am I on LSD? Yes, you are. Enemies of the game? Yeah, kind of. I don't know. I can't come up with an idea for a title at the moment, like graphic-wise, because like we don't really have anything to go by. Is anyone on the default speed and frames animated sprites run? I have no idea. That looks kind of cool. Yeah, okay, I like that. Let's change the music, though. Alright, oh man, none of them fit. We'll just use this one for now. It's not gonna be really dark though. Like I just have a dark background at the moment. Ooh. It actually looks kind of good. I would like to pitch down, sing deep, dark, and spoopy. Nostalgia is killing me. Another, it sounded like Ocarina of Time. Alright, so let's see what we can do, actually. Make, like, a really nice and kind of animated background besides just particles moving. So, we need to do parallaxes. Okay, so I want to make the main title a tiling sprite, actually. We're going to give it this background. The, Ocean Man, take me by the hand. Alright. But I need to make it... I need to crop it, vertically. And then we're going to export it as le title. I could have just stuck with BG, but I don't care. Let's name it le title. Ooh, I like how it shows it like a preview. And of course we're going to change the Zeifer text. If somebody has some dark bit metal song, look up Celtic metal. I don't know if it's not really dark, but it's amazing and you might like it. Muse. Alright, so what I need to do, I need to like redo the entire create process, right? I think so. Or at least the create background part. Yeah. Okay. So instead of calling the alias, we're just going to copy what we had here. Tiling sprite. This dot back sprite 1 dot proto dot bitmap equals image manager load title 1. And then we need to do this dot back sprite 1 dot move. What was it? 0 0 graphics dot box width graphics dot box height. And I spelled graphics wrong. It's gonna throw an error in my face. Alright. Nice. You just pitch it down. The psychological power of pitching. Pitching is good. I guess. Alright. So this dot back sprite 1 dot origin dot x plus equals 1. So let's just see how that looks. It might throw an error. It really might. No, it works. Huh. Oh. That's weird. Huh. Graphics.box height divided by 2. What? That's kind of weird. I wonder why I had to do that. It's moving too fast and the music's too dark now. So let's change the musics. Yeah, we're going to do everything different, including that little window. That's not going to be there. We're going to make this stream last, and it's going to be good. That's perfect title music. Alright, so yeah, let's go with that. And I'm actually going to make this a little bit darker. So we can like see the particles more. Let's just see. I might change the particles. Yeah, it doesn't work right for me. So I need to change the particles and whatnot. So let's just go ahead and use these things, because I really like the way these look. I don't care if someone's like, "Oh, use a GIMP for it." Cool. You have a brain. It was in system, right? Particles, yeah. Particles 1. Particles 2. Wow, wow, wow. Why you no use pitch? Because your mama stank. I'm just playing. I don't know. I don't like pitch much. I don't dislike it. It's just, there's no need for it at this point. By the way, these are the same particles I use for the layout on my stream. In the style of what you want to keep of the game. Or yeah, exactly. So, I don't know. Although the music is going to change because my developer is, you know, making the music. Music developer. So far, kind of good. We need to colorize these particles. And maybe decrease the opacity on them. There's a bunch. That C makes you calm. I see. Do you see what I did there? What was it though? Control Shift P? No. Control Shift O. Alright, so, yeah, making it seamless would be weird. Fine. Let's just roll with it. Ooh, we should have like a hue swapping thing. I like that effect. It's like very Super Nintendo-esque. Hey, Secret Gamer, how's it going? Wait a minute, can we do that? Like, is there like a hue thing? Guys. Oh, yes. I got a really cool idea. Not for just the title. I mean, in general. Yo, what? Okay. Console.log this dot backsprite2. I need to, what am I doing? I need to get information on that. I need to see, how it looks. Or, if there's color tone, right? No? Does anyone see, like... texture, maybe? Oh, tint texture? No, tint RGB? Tint? Okay, so let's... Is it the tint? This dot... backsprite2 dot tint plus equals 1000 or something. Yes! Kind of. Ish. We're getting somewhere. Color. It's not the color tone. So what is it? Tint RGB maybe? No, it's not. Did I even spell that right? Oh, underscore tint RGB. Yo, we got it! No, that's... What? Okay, so it's not, that's not correct. That's not politically correct. Bitmap, maybe? That's just a canvas. Blend color? No, because that's just a blend mode. It's not the blend mode, it's like a value thing. Frame. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can't figure this out. Station position. Yeah, we got the tent. But it's not a tent issue. Alright, I gotta figure this out. RBG is 64-bit value. 64x64 equals dank. Coding on title screen. Nice. Hey, Duke. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Alright. No. Okay, so I won't be able to read the chat for a second, because... I see a lot of stuff for VX Ace. But nothing, Hold on, MV Sprite class. And let me bring this over here so I can do this and, like, read the chat at the same time. Why? Okay, fine. You know what? We'll look at the official contents. Oh, good sir. Oh man, it opened the other tab. That is 2 times 6. Before. You mean RGB instead of RPG? My nose is running for some dang reason. But yeah. Alright, so let's get into this. JS library. Bitmap. Bacon, lettuce, tomato? No. Okay, graphics. Blend screen. We don't need a blend type. Sprite. So color tone. Is that it? Color tone, RGB, and gray. Okay, so... Dude, this is fun, actually, for some reason. Try as the RGB value, 4096. Let's try this first. This dot, back, sprite, 2 dots. Set color tone, right? Yeah. Let's try. So if I'm right, it should still this should work. Argument must be an array. Oh. Oh yes. So, hue equals R 0 G 0 B 0. So what we're gonna do? How do I get each value though of the Wait a minute. This is 100, right? 100 is the default. Yeah. 100 minus this dot hue. I want to see something. This dot hue. Wait. Minus equals 1. This should get redder and redder. Okay, never mind. Okay, I know what's happening. Ah, guys, I got it. Maybe not even more. You're good at coding. Thank you. I greatly appreciate that, Boris. So what we're gonna do, just for a test, this dot hue equals this dot hue is equal if it's equal to 255 equals 0, and if not, it equals itself. So it should cycle the red. Yep, there we go. The red values are now cycling. So now equals, and then R0G0 like we did before. Oops. B. It's not a true hue swap, but it works. It gets the job done. Dot R we're gonna add by 5. And I know this is very messy. This is a very messy way of coding, but G we're gonna add by 3, and then B we're gonna add by 1. And then we're going to do the same thing with these ones. And I know it's going to look really weird at first, because I need to add a system to where instead it reverses, but we'll get there. And we'll also clean up the code here in a little bit. Huh? Oh. Yeah, everything's like super messy right now, though. Yep, there we go. Hey, Grundy Bear, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Title screen on the map. We could do that. I mean, that would look kind of cool. But yeah, so far we're getting somewhere. Let's have them all equal R, though. I want to see how that looks. All of them to be the same values. No, they just get dark, right? Yeah. Now, I'm going to continue looking into it, though. See if we can't have a real hue swap. I'm not going to get, like, too excited over clicking the wrong menus. Alright. So we have the thing, set frame. Get blend color. Get color tone? We can get the color tone. So this means... Well, no, that would, I think it would just result in 100 because we never changed it. How about filters? Like, should we add filters? Like, should we look into that? Like, how to do filters? Because... yeah, so... I guess the color tone for the sprite returns an array. Well, let's see how that looks first. Var test... Wait, we don't need that. Console.log. Just dot... particle 1 dot get. Wait a minute, I'm not, particle 1 wouldn't work, so let's just do backsprite. Backsprite 1. Yeah, it would work. What am I talking about? Dot get color tone? Yeah. Okay, so get color tone is not a function. Did I, yeah, it apparently doesn't exist. Why is it telling me that function exists then? Because... Oh, wait, no, it's 2. Duh. So it won't work on a tiling sprite. Yeah, okay. That's weird, but alright. It doesn't work on a tiling sprite. We might be able to rig it up, but anyways. So. Let me read the chat real quick. Coding today, huh? Dig it. Yep, we are making our own title screen. Actually, let's see. Well, in the editor, of course. Yeah, programming a filter is, you know, you have to program in OpenGL, though, and that's very difficult. Okay, yeah, so it returns zeros. Okay. Man, this is lame. So we can't really have it hue shift in like a proper way that doesn't suck. Let me continue looking at the document. Ooh, no, but I got a cool idea. So we need to do 200. 200 minus this like. I'm gonna make it kind of like fade in, not like fade in, but like a flash in. It's gonna be kind of cool. Well, it kind of works. I mean, sort of. Starts off yellow though, more than it does white. I want it to like kind of be all the way white, and then how in the world is this gonna happen? All right. 255. And we just need to do 155 for the that actually looked kind of cool how it worked like that. Plus, if we have it darker, like, use darker colors. Let's get rid of that background there. And then do like... Why? Oh. Oop! It was La title, right? That we made, yeah. No, whoa! What am I doing? Stop! I'm being derp. Can you explain why using that doesn't work in the way you told us? Okay, so I know like the explanation point thing, basically, like prevents it from being bumped up a little bit because by default the sprites are kind of pushed up a little bit on the grid, and that kind of aligns it to where it's equal like to tiles, if you will. Ooh. Yeah, but see now it's. Oh. Oh. I'm kind of derping a little bit. Oh, a little bit. That's awesome. There we go. That's how I want it. Can we do that for like... Why can't we do that for tiling sprites? Yeah, it's not a function. Huh. Well, let's look at tiling sprites and see if there's a... do we do .bitmap for that? Wait a minute now, hold on. It should have a default sprite set itself, right? Also, instead of just decreasing the X, I'm just gonna be like... Let's just do, equals math.cosine this.floaty times 8, and then let's do this.floaty plus equals 0.01. Oops. I'm a derp. Da 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 derp 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 derp. Obviously, it's not going to be that background, by the way. It's going to be an original one that we come up with, but still want it to be kind of cool. I need to drink this before it goes flat. And warm. I don't like the taste of beer though much. So I generally don't drink them all. Alright. This value needs to be changed. Let's increase this by... Let's increase by 5 times what it was. Okay, now let's do half of that. Predicting music with the title screen. Is it official? No, the music's gonna change. But it is nice and fitting. Yeah, the image is gonna change too. I like how like the... Oh, we made the title do that though. Come to think of it, we don't need a tiling sprite anymore if we're gonna do it that way, but that's okay. I want to change things. I want to make it look... The image isn't, you know, permanent either. Ooh. That's kind of cool, actually. Especially if we do this. Oh, dude, look at that. Okay, so hold on now. Let's try mixing other stuff. Honestly, not bad. Let's invert this, see how that looks. No. Let's just see. So, little answers. Wait, what? Yeah, I don't know too much about that. All I know is the exclamation mark kind of just pushes the sprite down a little bit. That's like literally all I know. It makes your sprite 3 times as big. Oh, no, the dollar sign is what's doing that. So the dollar sign, let me explain. Okay, so this right here, this is a normal sprite. You know, you have like all these rows of different, this is a normal sprite sheet. if you put a $sign in this, it's gonna try and read these, it as one thing. So yeah, just don't put a $sign. That's all. And you should be good. Yeah, and I think it should look like space, you know, because, guys, we might be onto something. Yeah, I think it should look like space, though, because, like, they are going to be traveling in space. I'm going to have to change up the particles now and make them different. Might actually keep something like this. I don't know. It'd be different, obviously, but... because I want to have character portraits on the screen as well whenever we can draw them. Kind of looks like you're underwater now. That's neat. So we're decent at it. Imagine playing a game with peaceful blue sky. So the screen of the content of the game. That's horrible. Why would you do that, Butterfly? So edgy. Alright. System, particles 1. I don't know, this might not look too great, but I want to see. That does look neat. Except for the text up here, but you need to change that back to something different. So I have a cool idea for the text up at the top. I want to... Huh. I think that looks cool. Let's see how it looks in the game, though. No, I didn't make the music. It's part of the DLC for now, but, like, the title does not match. I know, it really doesn't. He's finally had a stream after a while. Hey, ZL, how's it going, dude? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Yeah, so we're gonna change our music up whenever we get new music. We might change it a little bit now, but that looks kind of good so far. How it like fades in, and I don't know though. Like the background with the clouds, that doesn't. I don't know. I need to do something different. Let's try these clouds because it's different. No, I don't like that. Let's try these mountains. That didn't work. This one was grain merge, right? Yeah. That. I can't. I think the big guy since House Union needs a black outline or something. Yeah. I'm. Wow, I am kind of sucking at this right now. Ocean Man. But yeah, I need to think of something that's not trash. Huh. Ooh. Guys, we might actually be onto something. Cause that we can just, you know what? Let's do this. That. Screw it. Let's just have this, and then change it later. Cause I need to do the character portraits if we're gonna make it look good. Ah. At least a shadow. Hey, Percellian. How's it going? Shadow would work too. Yeah, I mean, this isn't gonna stay though. But yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and let's see how it looks with the background, like a border. I mean, a black outline would make sense in a black background, but yeah, we definitely need to change things up. Only using still overlaps. Why? I have no idea what's happening, Trico. That's confusing. That is really odd. I guess we can just get the rest of the programming done. Worry about the graphics later. If anyone wants to come up with anything, feel free. I will not stop you. Oh my. It does look kind of Metroidy. We should use the dimensions of a full. Yeah, go for that. Try that, Trico. Oh, do you mind live stream about the event? What event? I don't think I did. Dun, 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 dun. No, 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 no. I'm putting it in system. Uh, Custom title screen, baby. Hey, Hunter, how's it going, buddy? Can't wait to see the final product. Oh, it's gonna be nice. But we need art first. Like, it's kind of trash without it. I want the characters to have like, to kind of like slide in. It's gonna be really cool though. Like once we're able to get some character portrait art going. Fixing PC who's forgetting about switches. Oh, you did? How'd you fix it? How'd you fix it, Percelian? Like, what was happening? Pretty good. Can't really complain other than I almost broke my shoulder the other day. While exercising, I was punching the punching bag, and like I ended up like slipping because like it was really weird. I almost freaking like jarred my shoulder out of place or something. It hurt. It's all good now, mostly, I think. Yeah, you're right, ZL. You're right. We'll check it out. Background might change though. It might not be space. It might be spacey. Oh, I got a cool idea. We'll have like the ship kind of fade in, like, and the character like fade in after a few seconds. Oh, that's gonna be cool. That is gonna be awesome. Yes, I think. But yeah, how'd you fix it? That's interesting. I'm interested in knowing that. Goes new sprite, image, manager. Right, yeah. Dot load load system. What was it now? What was it called? I don't remember. Title new. Let's just start with title new. This dot add child. This dot input sprite. Now, we need to add a condition to check and see what thing you're on, but this is gonna look nice. Look how it fades in here. Love it. Alrighty, righty. Sounds epic. It does. Alright, so now we're getting somewhere with this, though. So what we need to do first, we need to update the placement thing here, right? And we need to do, this dot hide. There we go. You can hear it's still there. It's just hidden. So, I don't know why I moved it up there, because I changed my mind. So, before anyone asks, it's very clear that I changed my mind, that I didn't want the default window. Okay, so, switch. This dot, what was the thing called? Command window. Dot index. Case 0. This dot input sprite dot bitmap equals this dot bitmap 1 equals, no, I'm not gonna do that. Input graphic 1 This is very sloppy, but I don't really care. I mean, I should care. But I should clean it up eventually. I don't know. So wait, the title. Continue, right? Title. Options. It was continue, right? Yeah. Wait a minute, we can just do this. This is less sloppy. Now we can do dot bitmap equals this dot input graphic this dot man. Ooh, we got a subscriber. Doriano Pedis. Thank you for subscribing. Really appreciate it. How do I sponsor? Oh, dude. Seriously, thanks. Hold on, I'll send you a link. How do I get that again? 1 second. Dude, you're gonna be like my first sponsor. It's gonna be so freaking cool. Let me get you a sponsor link real quick. Okay, on the YouTube page, it should be here. I don't know if I can copy a link. No. But it should be here. You can do that. That is awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. You're gonna be the first. Now you get access to emojis. You get these emojis here. Hold on, let me. Yeah. I don't know, they're nothing special, but you know, you can use them anywhere, so it's fun. Jank slime, my favorite. So yeah, I don't think I can get you a thing, but try going here and then see if you can click the sponsor thing there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Grundy. Yeah, I think you do have to do it from PC. You should be able to do it from phone though. That's kind of weird. I hate that that they don't enable it on phone, but that's okay. Using the default sprite dimensions plus it seems to do it. Oh, nice, good. I'm glad you got it. That's kind of weird that $sign didn't work for you. Maybe you have to have $sign first. I don't know. Those are some great emojis. Thanks, Duke. I appreciate it. I work hard on them. Not really. I think either the Pro Jank Slime or the Pro Rage is my favorite. They're cool. Alright, anyways. What was it now? Command window, right? Is it a capital W? Yes, it is. I was going to be triggered if it wasn't. Index. Or is it underscore? I think it's underscore index. Yeah. Object is not a function. Yo, mama's not a function. Uh-oh. What? What? Okay, what command is getting messed up? Yeah, it is. Line 76. It's this one right here. Oh! What? Why did I do that? There it is. Yes! Nice. I love it. It's working out. Alrighty, thank you, Grundy. I really appreciate it. Seriously, it means a lot. I answered you further up. Oh, you did? Am I blind? Oh, her move route was in the main window, and her autonomous movement was set to fixed. What I should have done, instead of move route in custom, and then put the move route in the custom. Oh, okay. That's still kind of jank, though. Like how it doesn't, oh, thank you, Grundy. It's still kind of jank how it doesn't work right. Like how come it didn't work before. That's really weird. So for now, let's just use the deep space one. What do you guys think about that? Let's just use the deep space thing. And that be that. So yeah, let's just use deep space for now. Now the problem is, you can see here like, we can't click it. But you can click up here. So, in order to fix that, we're just going to do, instead of doing .hide, we're just going to do x equals negative 9999. Problem solved. I don't think I want mouse support to be default in my game anyways. I do that all the time. You do what all the time? I'm confused. I forget to read something? I don't know. But I forgot to read, or I missed what he said. Now, we fixed the font issue too, so we did a lot today. This is turning out well. So the things that we're gonna have slide in. Okay, first off, let's slide out of them Japanese because I don't need the floaty thing right now anyway. 0.1, and let's just do 0.25. Oops. Oh, that's still fast. 0.05. That's perfect. Yep. All right. Goody. Oh, repeat functions inside each other when not paying attention. Rip. Okay, so what should we do now? Should we have like placeholders, like circles or something for the character? Yeah, let's do that. Let's just do a See, the characters are gonna be like yay tall. So this is just gonna be like a placeholder. Character.png. I'm just gonna name it character.png for now. I'm not even gonna bother. Well, I guess I should just do this part. Temp test. And then it doesn't need to have a name actually. Character. So we need to do this dot create slidey chars. Best coding names ever. Not really. I'm probably triggering every actual programmer out there. Create. Then oops. The reason I'm not doing let I've because like the RPG Maker doesn't support it at the moment. Hey Devin, how's it going, buddy? Mid RPG Maker V crashed, so I set my size 3000 by 3000. Oh no! And you can't delete the map per Cellian? Oh, how'd you even set it that high? Like, what'd you do? I do notice you, Devin. I was coding a thing. So let's do... I could have just done push as well. But again, this is like a temporary thing. I'm just going to redo this here in a little bit. Not redo the entire thing. I mean like the slideys. Equals 100. So yeah, this should be like weird and different, but it's not here. What? Oh, oops. Well, it doesn't matter anyway. I just did that to require it. Is this not gonna work? Oh, we can't do the loop thing? Oh well. I don't care. Yeah, our characters are gonna be there, and then I want to give this like transparency though, so we can kind of see them all. Okay. Oops. Well, you can do that? That's awesome. I didn't even know that. 3, 4, 5. Now what I'm going to do is a simple little thing. This dot slidey 0 dot x minus equals this dot slidey 0 dot x is greater than 0. So 300 divided by 60. So it should take like so it should take 60 frames to get to the center point. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that in 15. Let's do 30. 35? 25. Let's try 25s. 2, 1, 2, 100, 200, 400, and then 500. So watch this. See that? They kind of just like... And of course they're going to be different, location-wise. So let's do is greater than negative 100. Greater than 0. And greater than 100. Let's just move them over to the left about 100 pixels. That looks good. That's where our characters are going to be. Yikes. Well, last time is like, yeah, it would. Oh my gosh, the Priscillian, that's insane. But hold on now, what are you talking about? I didn't know you can do that. Let's see what Priscillian is doing real quick. So I can actually take, and let's make a new map. Big map B. Now what do? I go to data, right? No? It's not save, obviously. So where is it? Like, where do I go? Priscillian, that's really cool. Edit the files in a text editor. But yeah, like what file? Do I edit the map file? Let me find that. It's a new one, right? Yeah. Open with, and of course, Visual Studio. Like, where do you change the size at? Oh! That works? Oh, man, I forgot. Okay, they changed the wrong size. Or the wrong one. Oh, that works! Priscillian, you just taught me something amazing, dude. It changed my life. That is so cool. I didn't know that. My mind is blown. What happens if I type a negative number? Should we risk it? We should probably do that in a new file, but... Negative 100. Oh no, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash my game. I'm stupid for doing this. Aren't I? Oh no, it just defaults to 0. Okay, cool. Curiosity killed the cat, right? Hey, Life is Simple, how's it going? Mr. Streams, wanted to say love your channel and effort. Thank you. I greatly appreciate that, good sir. Okay, so this is our custom title. Those little red circles are where the characters are gonna be. By the way, Life of Senpai. But yeah, you guys think this should work? This could work. I mean, I think it's cool. I'm kind of happy with it. Obviously, we're going to change some things up. Dust crescent tiles, if you already set it the whole map. Yeah, I can imagine. It seems like it put, like, weird tiles, too. Like, weird locations. But yeah, so far so good with the title, though. I like it. He's doing some good works. See, the problem is, I don't want to stop streaming. But, so I guess I'll just play through our game so far that we got one more time, even though there's not much to do at all. Before we end the stream, because I don't want to end it. But I can't do character portraits yet. But I can't wait till we can. We're going to be practicing the F out of that. So, Life of Senpai. If you haven't seen it, now here's your chance. Oh my gosh. 2 is loud for me. What? Oh. Ooh, there it is. There we go. Even 1's really loud on my end. Like, it's crazy. These headphones, they're like calibrated to destroy your eardrum. I love this music though. Dun, 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 dun. All right. So yeah, after I play through this real quick, we're gonna end the stream because we finished the absolute alpha of the title. We customized it to a pretty good degree, and I think we're gonna be happy with the final result whenever we can. I need to get rid of that baby capybara there and put him somewhere else. Yeah, that's a collision bug I need to fix. Oh, I don't think I can. Oh well. Nonetheless. Yeah, plans are changing, by the way, a little bit. Not a lot, but just like certain small details we're going to be changing. I'll link the Google Doc thing again, I guess, but I haven't worked on it yesterday, I don't think. Hey, Rose, is it a normal battle system? Nope. We're going to be using a Tales of style battle system that I'm going to be making from scratch, which is going to be insane and difficult. Yeah, so it gets shot, and then they're carrying it home. And this is where I'm going to have the event. Like, one of the trees is going to be dead. I think we just had a tiling issue there, too. And there's our town. Just wander around in it real quick, and then we'll end off the stream. How to make a good cave to a great cave. That, my friend, I have the video on already. I will send you a link to it in a minute. Okay. Man, I really hate to end a stream though. Okay, so I'll go ahead and link you that video. Alright. So. I hate like how it defaults to YouTube Studio on accident. Or non-accident, but like it defaults to that. Creator Studio Classic. Hey, Cryomaniac, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. And I guess I'll go ahead and show you the title screen as well before we end it. But because there we are done. Unless you guys want me to do something else. I don't know. Got nothing else to do. Copy link address. Okay, so there you go. Leadle. Okay, I just love how you run the door even though. Yeah. Sprite practice? I mean, we could. You guys want to see some sprite practice? Cool. Alright, let's do some sprite practice. Gimpy, where are you? Ow, my eyeballs hurt. So what I need to really practice on is hair. Like, I need to open up one of the sprites and see. How their hair works. It's like. So let's do like a like a standard haircut real quick. Let's try symmetry for now. It doesn't look bad, but it's... Okay, so, yeah, sprite practice it is. Because we do need to get good at this. Create Nazi from Fairy Tale. You know what? That's a fun idea. Should we do that? Guys, I'm going to try doing that. I'm a game developer, and I was wondering if you want to make a game with me after that one. I don't know, because I'm kind of bad at keeping up with stuff. To be honest. Guys, let's actually do that. Let's draw Natsu from Fairy Tale as a sprite. I need like a full body picture though. Preferably without a red background, but I guess I can remove that. Mostly story-based game? Cool. Okay, so yeah, so he has like really spiky kind of pinkish hair. So let's actually take the darkest point. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Alright, so his hair's 3, 4. This spikes everywhere, but we need to make it look more like his art style. Natsu. Alright. So I have the memory of a cheeseburger, because like, okay. I think we need to start here. How does that spike work? It goes over there and then goes down, but... That? Oh, it's not going over enough. It needs to be more like this. Like that. It's more like that, and then... So he has... How many others ones? How many other spikes? Okay, a little one. I'm making the hair kind of big though, aren't I? And then it goes like that, because he has like another spike. And then this is where it starts to kind of meet with his face, because then he has back hair. And he has like a long spike downward, like that. And then... I don't know why, but I laughed way too hard when you said, "Had the memory of a cheeseburger." I do though. It's true. Natsu, yay. Make flying spell books. What do you think? That's actually kind of a neat idea for the game, like some kind of spell book system. Like when you learn a new skill from it, like it just kind of, like, woof, I'm in your face. Spells, magic stuff. Seriously, that's actually kind of a cool idea. It's like a hair going down there. He has like a just like straight edge here, and then two here because like it represents the two little strands. Fix that later. Goes down towards the side of his face more than that though. That. And then like a tiny spike there. So okay, so we got Natsu's main hair. We need to do the front things as well. Oops. Yeah, I think drawing other characters is actually a really good idea for sprite practice. Having a head to work on would be better. Having a head to work on would be better? Yeah, maybe. But I feel like, for me, it's, I don't know, I'm weird. Okay, now how's this work? He has a spike coming out from this angle. So yeah, we can't just do our own angles, man. What the F? And then he has more. Okay, that didn't even finish, actually. That started kind of there. Had a large spike going there, and then it came back like you come back out of the bathroom after Taco Bell. What am I saying? Like another spike thing here. That. And then he has more, but we can't do those because of pixel limitations. That don't look bad at all. Maybe you can make a fairy tale game. Just an idea. No, but I might, if I get good at spriting, I might, like, just do sprites for people and stuff. Like, obviously, without charging. We still got to do his back hair, too, which I'll do that after we, I want to keep, like, the tips of the spikes kind of, not shaded. That looks awesome! What? Okay, so now we're going to do his head. But you guys are right. I probably should most definitely do head first, usually. So if I remember now, on the very, yeah, for those spikes come out, he has an ear here. So that's where the ear should be. Okay, now I'm running into the problem that I usually have. And that is like very unrealistically awkward heads. There, that's better. I just need to So that's where his ear is. I'm just going to leave that dark. Now we need to do his other parts of his hair. Which I'm just going to leave that all like dark. So it goes down a little bit past his ear and that's it seems. Like that. Or like a spike maybe here. That's better. That's better. That looks alright. Now let me get rid of some of these here to make it look like I think it's more spiky like, you know what I mean? That looks kind of good, but we need this to drop back down actually, because I don't like the way that looked. I don't like the way that looked at all. Just do that. Yeah. Hey, squeak! Sorry, I'll leave for that. Oh man. JK. It's Nazi from Fairy Tail. Yeah, but we got his head position wrong. There. That's actually a lot better. Wow. Smooth that up. And now we can just get rid of these ones too. That looks kind of good. Better if I do that. Yeah, there we go. So let's go with that. Now his eyes. He has those like, you know, usual anime eyes. So what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna take the moon and take the sun. Take everything that seems like fun. So his eye is not being covered, which means this hair strand is too long. That still looks good. By the way, cool Sora, just type exclamation point squeak if you want me to squeak the ducky. So his eyes are kind of black-like with like a dot of white in the middle. Like that. No, it's too, that looks good. Looks sad though. It's gonna have like a grayish. There we go, that's better. It's a lot better. Also, his right eye is not properly positioned. So, his mouth. He has seen things that cannot be unseen. Kinda does, doesn't it, Charizard? Han. There we go. Best star, or, Natsu ever. Now, he has like this cool looking scarf on, so let's go ahead and take, you guessed it, the moon, and take the sun. So the scarf, I'm just gonna shape it first. I smell something burning. Is it something from the house? So it's kind of like checkered. So, right? Yeah. I want to keep the outline of it dark though. That looks kind of good. I mean, we can roll with it given the, okay, so his shirt. Okay, his scarf goes all the way down though. So we need to get the rest of his outline for his body. He has like an orange shirt kind of thing. Like that. And it goes kind of, okay, so it's also like, goes like that. Yeah. Oh man, we can't fit Natsu. Hold on, let's merge everything. I don't think we're gonna be able to fit his whole body. We'll have to scale up the thing. So his arms. Okay, so his kind of like does that. But the rest of it is kind of darkish color. Let's go with this one. Oh man. Oh no. How'd that even remotely happen? Hold on, let me take this. Let me take the moon and take the sun. So now we need like the skin outline thing, whatever you call it. Sorry if this is boring, but I don't know. I'm having fun like learning. So he has abs, right? Like how can we do the abs? Cause like okay, so it's like that kind of. Plus we need to do that. So like this, I guess, for the abs. Yeah, it don't look too bad at all. He has a happy face on his his chest. Okay, so his arm comes out of this one, like so. And then, of course, we need to have it like RPG-like. So how are we gonna do this? That doesn't look bad. He has a thing around his wrist too. He has like this yeah, like that. That's kind of cool. I like that. So far, so good. He looks too buff though, so let me do this. Uh-oh. Now I can do this easier. That's better. I just need to... Huh, guess so. So what do you guys think so far? Nazi looking alright? So you caught a bad case of the common cold. Alright. Yeah, that's better. That's a lot better, actually. Holy cow. Now, he has like this belt. So let's go ahead and make that. That's good enough. Yeah, that'll work. It's alright to me. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. His pants are... Okay, so his like he's got like a sash thing that kind of goes... Like, where does it start from, though? Starts from the left of his belt. And then it kind of like goes around. Yeah, like that. And then it kind of curls back up, but, not sash. What do you call that? What am I saying? You know what I'm talking about, though. This, like, thing. Yeah, the darker color we have on the inside. And then the other one goes, obviously, the opposite direction. Oops. No, no, no. Don't close that. Thank you. I would cry every time. I cry every time there. This is looking awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we can actually learn a great deal from this. So I'm gonna just do all that and then like find out where I want the split in his legs to be. So let's also fill this in. Okay, so mid body here. So let's try about here, like that. Too much. Let's put you somewhere so I can use you later. Don't look bad at all. Split's still too much though. Let's just try. Let's go with that. Although with this style, his arms are too short, so what we can do, just do that right there. So we can do that a second time too, while we're at it. No. I'm not going to do that at all. His arms are short, so that's a mistake that we're going to live with. His regular legs coming out, and then... Or a bare leg, not regular leg. I hope it's a regular leg. Okay. So... And then... Kind of goes out like that, but I'm not gonna... Well, yeah, let's have him stand sideways, actually. Might be able to learn some more stuff that way. And due to pixel limitations. Well, I mean... It's not the worst thing I ever made. Is he having diarrhea? Rip. So yeah, I guess not bad. Right? Okay, I'm gonna do one more character. Who should it be? Hold on. Eat some more of my lunch real quick from earlier. And I'm not gonna, you know, I'm just gonna eat the sausage actually from it instead, because I'm kind of hungry. And the bread's kind of nasty, so it's like this sausage sandwich thing from Dickie's. I don't know if you guys have that, but around here, there's a place called Dickie's, and it's a barbecue place, and it's really good. So from my eye, like if you're the way the eye just burns. Yosuke, huh? Who's the 10th Doctor? Dude, Yosuke is actually, like, really good to draw for Ace. In fact, that's kind of how I want Ace's attitude to be, a little bit, like Yosuke. But less derpy, like, more calm. This is gonna be fun. Oh, ow, ow. So this one I'm gonna do 48 by 96, just so I get, ow, so I'll get myself tall. More tall room. Okay, so Yosuke's hairstyle based on other ones is, okay. I see his hairstyle. Would you guys like more streams in the future of me just drawing characters when I get the, especially when I get the drawing tablet? Like just drawing characters as sprites. Let's start with the head this time. So it's kind of like that's all we're gonna need for the head. Now I need to get the second color here so we can kind of work on that like really cool looking palette they got. Come on, man. Alright, Hunter says yes. Let me call a vote to that. Vote. Good. Are we running it? Yes. That's 2 on yes so far. This is gonna be the hardest sprite I've ever done because I never did it like a sprite. The F. Guys, I don't know how to do this. Hold up. Yes. Oh, let's give him a really dank haircut. Looking smug. Hold on, we're making a new... Hold on, we're actually making a cool character unintentionally. What? Hold on now. What is this magic? Get him a unibrow. No. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, here. Okay, we're gonna do some interesting things. Okay, let's go to that one. To that one. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's actually kind of neat. I'm not just making that up. This is actually a little bit cool. Like, I mean, this is actually kind of neat. On. I know it's not Yosuke, but, it's facing that way, so it should be more like... How's his body proportion work? It's going downward. And it should be going outward, right? Like that, kind of. Yeah. I looked at the hair as a ponytail, like a female. Really? I see it. Actually, I do. Yeah, I see it. So yeah, I gave up being serious on Yosuke because I'm too tired for that. There's no way I'm capable of that in my current condition. So we're gonna make a dank Yosuke instead. Just shrugging. Shrug-a-lugging. That's kind of cool. Although his arm wouldn't be down there, it'd be more like right there, and then like that. Lincoln Zelda is an easier one. Yeah. What I'm being serious, like, about. Okay, what am I talking about? What? English? Did I just have some kind of mental attack? So, what? Oh yeah. I'm being serious about this part though. Like, I want to actually start taking, you know, and trying to either redo sprites in general, or like we just started doing earlier, recreate some sprites, or recreate characters as sprites. Like, that's really cool to me, the idea of it. And it's good practice. So, an ash from fire red. Why not fire blue? Why can't fire be what it wants to be? I'm kidding. Please don't take this serious. He's just lunging forward. Hold on. Let's just have, like, lunge forward in, like, the douchiest way possible. Hold on. This is cool. Oh, yeah, it has to be arched. I just think it has to be arched even more than that. Yeah, there we go. Hold on. Darker. No, I like it better like when it was like that, like less just decrease brightness a little bit less. It's still the same. What the F? Now I gotta get him some cool shoes. Hey, it's still technically sprite practice, so I guess I wasn't really lying. That's cool, actually. That actually looks not bad. Like, I'm not even joking. That doesn't look bad. Let's give him like a wristband. Because edgies. No, he's not edgy. He's cool. In the right spot? Yeah, it would be there, wouldn't it? Guys, that's not bad. Seriously, what? How did this happen? I was sort of making a joke and it turned into something good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's actually give him a belt. Would it go like that from his angle? It would look like that, right? Yeah, I feel like it would look like something like that. Guys! Oh, the headphones? Give him the headphones? Okay. Even though we're not actually making Yosuke anymore, but I don't care. Let's give him headphones. Oh, that's cool! It's like going through his hair now. That's cool! Tendo from Anime Gamers. Wait, what? Really? Looks like Tendo? Guys, that... I think I might have a new YouTube icon. I show great pride in this character here. I might make him an emote for sponsor stuff. I'm going to save him for later. Put him on a flash drive. But yeah. Alright, so I guess we're done with this stream. So we've been streaming for 2.5 hours. I would like to continue, but I don't think I can continue and keep it serious at the same time. So yeah, we made a Natsu. The Natsu one turned out really cool. And then we made like this jank AF version of Yosuke. Like it's mega jank. Oh, hold on. We're not done yet. How could I possibly think we were done? I didn't add that extra hair there. Oh, it looked better that way. Ooh, actually. That, yeah. Kinda cool. Alright guys, we're done. They look nothing alike. No, they don't. They don't look anything alike. It's very dank. But I love it. Alright guys. Have a good night or day or whatever time it is. And I will see you guys later. Everybody voted yes, by the way, on the poll. Which is awesome. So. Yeah. So thank you guys for voting. And thank you for joining the stream. And I will see you guys in the next stream. Yeah, next stream. Bye.